So when we talk about golden dragon, it's always locate the 5 to get the indirect spirit, and the opposite will be the direct spirit. So for period 1, 3, 6, and 8, right, we can deduce that the golden dragon is at Li South for period 1, Dui West at period 3, Qian Northwest at period 6, and Gen Northeast at period 8. Okay, and all these are actually 6, 7, 8, 9, the same grouping. So we can group together that, the direct and indirect demarcation for golden dragon in LiuFa is the same for period 1, 3, 6, and 8. And what we can conclude from that is that for this period, right, period 1, 3, 6, and 8, right, for 6 Qian, 7 Dui, 8 Gen, 9 Li is the indirect spirit, and if seawater is auspicious. Whereas 1, 2, 3, 4, which is a Kun, which is a Kan, Kun, Zhen, Xun, respectively, is the direct spirit, and seeing mountain is auspicious. Okay, that is on the 8 Gua level. Okay, that's on the 8 Gua level. And I've also marked this 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Maybe I also, it's better that I demarcate the 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the blue is the direct spirit, and the red is the indirect spirit. Okay, direct spirit see mountain, indirect spirit see water. All right, so what does that mean? So it means okay, let's take Gua 8 as an example. Gua 9 lah. Okay, now it's already Gua 9 ma. So Gua 9, indirect spirit. Okay, Gua 9. Oh, sorry. Period 9. So the period. Okay, let's take period 8. All right, period 8. The past period lah. Okay, period 8. Actually, it's the same lah. Okay, this is actually the both are the same. Both are the same. It's just switch only. Okay, I split it into two. I split it into two diagrams. So let's take a look at this. So what do we have here? What do we have here? Okay, let's talk about period 9. Since now is period 9, right? Hold on. So now is period 9, right? 8, 6, 7. Okay. Period 9. Period 9. Okay, period 9 indirect spirit is at north. So indirect spirit need to see water. Okay. Direct spirit need to see mountain. Okay, direct spirit need to see mountain. So if we have mountain over, let's talk about water lah. Okay, here is easier to see. Let's talk about water. So let's say for example, right? So since this is period 9, right? This is period 9, right? Period 9 is the in command, the most prosperous, the prosperous star. Okay, this part is quite similar to the Xuan Lining Star. The in command is a prosperous star. So prosperous star is actually at Zhi Mountain. Okay, so if Zhi Mountain here, you have a river or a pool of water, right? Congrats, you would enjoy good wealth. All right, good wealth. Okay, but if you also have a river here or a pool of water here, right? You're still gonna enjoy a smooth, how do you get? Ping on, ping means average. Average means a comfortable or a safe period. Okay, you still enjoy the stability. Stable lah, yes. Ping is stable. So you still enjoy stable. Okay. Because this is sorry, I looked at it wrongly. Not talk about rain, we talk about here. We're talking about water, right? 7. Okay. So if you have water here, right? Same, 7. Okay, 7 is actually the same group. If you notice, right, if you talk about 2 cycle period, right, 7 and 9 is same group, 6, 7, 8, 9, so stable. But 7 is actually same group in terms of golden dragons, 7 and 9. Okay, so based on 2 cycle A period and also the golden dragon period, 7 and 9 are the same group. So since 9 is the timely or the in command star, so this will be prosperous. You have water here, congrats, big wealth. Prosper, you have water here, is okay, steady income. All right. But what if you have water here? Okay, you have water here, and this is star 2. Okay, star 2. Now here's the tricky part, you see. If you follow golden dragon, right, by right is the same. Okay, P 2 is also 2 is kun is also indirect spirit. But if you go with 2 cycle A periods, right, then 2 is actually opposite period. Okay, it's a different grouping. Okay, it's a different grouping. So how do we conclude that? Since we are using what do you call LiuFa, and we are using golden dragon, right, which dictates that few points are number 1, it is under the big, all 3 mountains is under Kun 1 Gua. Okay, Kun 1 Gua is the in command direct spirit. Tentatively, river and water bodies over at all 3 Ren, Zi, Gui, north 1, 2, 3 mountains would enjoy, would be safe. Okay, would be safe. Okay, the only thing is if you have it specifically at Zi, you will be prosperous. Okay, Gui and Ren stable, Zi prosperous. Okay, so this is this is how is being utilized. This is how you actually drill down to the 15 degree granularity instead of the 45-degree granularity. So how do they utilize this? They utilize this, like, if for example I see water in my north, how come I'm still not rich yet? Okay, then you put a low pan there, you check. Okay, you know why? Because your your water body is not at Zi mountain, it's at Gui mountain. Okay, yes, Gui mountain. So even though you are not prosperous, you still enjoy a comfortable life. Okay, but let's say for example, if you're at Ren mountain, okay, you probably, your wealth is status quo lah, no increase, no decrease lah, so it's just stable. So that's a very gist of the application of the combination application of golden dragon, 2 cycle A periods, and also the LiuFa Leaning Star. Okay, I think that's it for now. Thank you.